La Estación de la Molina es a railway station in Girona, Spain.
It is located on the main line that runs from Barcelona to the French border, and it is a busy hub for both regional and long-distance trains. The station is well connected to the city center of Girona and to the surrounding areas, and it is an important transportation hub for residents and visitors alike. The station provides a variety of services, including ticket sales, baggage storage, and snack bars, and it is staffed by friendly and helpful personnel who are there to assist travelers. In addition to its railway services, the Estación de la Molina also offers convenient access to other forms of transportation, such as buses and taxis. There are several bus lines that run from the station to different parts of the city and its suburbs, and taxis are readily available for those who need them. The station building is a modern, functional structure that is designed to meet the needs of travelers. It is fully accessible for people with disabilities, and it has been equipped with a range of facilities to make the journey as comfortable and stress-free as possible. Overall, the Estación de la Molina is an important hub of transportation and commerce in the Girona area, and it plays a vital role in connecting the city to the rest of Spain and beyond. Whether you are a resident or a visitor, the station provides a convenient and reliable starting point for your travels. Additionally, the Estación de la Molina is located in a convenient location, close to many of Girona's most popular attractions. The historic center of the city is just a short walk away, and it is home to many of Girona's most famous landmarks, including the Cathedral of Girona, the Arab Baths, and the Eiffel Bridge. There are also several parks and green spaces nearby, as well as shops, restaurants, and cafes, making it a great starting point for exploring the city. The Estación de la Molina is also a popular destination for tourists visiting the nearby Costa Brava region, with its beautiful beaches and picturesque villages. There are frequent trains running from the station to popular destinations along the coast, making it easy for travelers to reach their desired destinations. Overall, the Estación de la Molina is an essential part of Girona's transportation network, offering convenient access to the city, the surrounding region, and beyond. Whether you are a resident or a visitor, this railway station is an important hub of activity, providing a starting point for a wide range of adventures and experiences. It is worth mentioning that the Estación de la Molina has undergone a number of renovations and upgrades over the years to better serve the needs of travelers. For example, it has been fitted with state-of-the-art technology and infrastructure, including modern ticketing systems and real-time information displays, making it easier for passengers to plan their journeys. The station has also been designed with comfort and convenience in mind, with spacious waiting areas and a variety of amenities to keep travelers entertained and relaxed while they wait for their trains. In terms of sustainability, the Estación de la Molina is committed to reducing its environmental impact, and it has taken a number of steps to make its operations more environmentally friendly. For example, it has installed energy-efficient lighting and heating systems, and it has implemented waste reduction and recycling programs to minimize its impact on the environment. Overall, the Estación de la Molina is a well-run and well-equipped railway station that provides essential transportation services to the residents and visitors of Girona and the surrounding region. With its convenient location, modern facilities, and commitment to sustainability, it is an important hub of activity that is essential to the region's transportation network. In addition to its many practical features and services, the Estación de la Molina is also a hub of cultural activity, with a number of events and activities taking place throughout the year. For example, there may be art exhibitions and cultural events in the station's public spaces, and there may be special holiday celebrations and festivals that take place in the area. The Estación de la Molina is also a popular spot for photography, with its modern architecture and bustling atmosphere making it a favorite subject for photographers and videographers. Whether you are capturing memories of your travels or simply admiring the beauty of this transportation hub, the Estación de la Molina is sure to provide plenty of inspiration. Finally, it is worth mentioning that the Estación de la Molina is a symbol of Girona's rich history and cultural heritage, as well as its modernity and progress. As such, it is an important landmark that is well worth a visit, whether you are traveling through the region or simply exploring the city of Girona. In conclusion, the Estación de la Molina is an essential transportation hub that offers a range of services and facilities for travelers, as well as a hub of cultural activity and a symbol of Girona's rich history and modernity.